closing ng Cinemalaya. Ayan. Hi, Mr. Angelo, join us here, please. And for the traditional photo op, can you stand up here muna po? And then, ayan. Siya po ang executive producer, si Mr. Angelo Santos. Ayan. Kuyog na naman. Pero po ang gago. Ayan po si Angelo. You may not take your seat, Mr. Santos. Pati ka muna po, mabilis. Din saan siya uupo? Si Ruel, kung makapicture with this Samsung. Bida ng bida.
Uy, at least ito na camera hawak niya.
Oo. Ayan, bati lang. Angelo, bati lang, please.
Hi, good afternoon. Thank you for coming sa official press conference natin ng Silong, which will be distributed by Star Cinema. So, ayan, finally, after 2 years. So,
Wow!
After 2 years.
Sige, malalaman. Hihimayin natin yung 2 years na yun later on why, ha? Okay, thank you, Angelo. And of course, tawagin natin ang dalawang director ng pelikula, Roy Sevilla Ho, and incidentally siya rin po ang story and screenplay, and our dear friend Jeffrey Hidalgo. Si Jeff, nagdi-direct na. I'm so proud of you. Nakakatakot naman. Can we kill that music na nga? Ayan. Dito pa, diretso all the way here. Bakit? Ayan. Our two directors stand up for the photo op and then, ayan. Ang ating dalawang director, si Roy Sevilla Ho and Jeffrey Hidalgo.
Tingin sa kanan.
Wow, Ruel. Mananakaw din yan. Okay, bati naman Direct Roy and Direct Jeffrey, please.
Nilalalaman ka pa kasi things.
Hello po, thank you very much for coming, and sobrang excited na po kami ng palabas yung pelikula, so we're really happy that you're here with us today.
And of course, Direct Jeffrey!
Yes, good afternoon everyone. Thanks for being here.
Okay, thank you so much. And of course, ito na po ang tatlong ating main cast. Tatawagin ko na in this order, Gucci Lorenzana. Sabay-sabay na, no? Gucci Lorenzana, Rian Ramos, and Mr. Piolo Pascual. Meron tayong live streaming, ano? Yes, we are seen and worldwide via our live streaming. Gucci, ayan, tayo muna. Okay, stand by Rian and Papa P, and then...
Si Ruel, ang tagal.
Okay, thank you so much. And now here, ito na po sila, Rian Ramos and Priolo Pascual. Ay, kuyo everyone.
Yes, good afternoon po. Thanks for joining us today. Kahit linggo, pasensya na and maraming salamat.
Okay, so at this point po, I would like to introduce to you the official trailer of Silong. Please watch this.
Watch.
Lay daw.
Init na siya.
Anong usapan niya?